Good morning everybody. Oh, it's good afternoon. I'm here, Amir, addressing for you the topic regarding some essentials of life. What you have to be and what you don't have to be. So I present here the essentials. Okay? The essentials of life as I write. What is the major thing to be undermined regarding the is see I would take the example of sun. See the life cycle of the sun. It will rise and set. Two processes are taking place like this, rising and setting. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. It's going on. The process goes on in its life. By rising I mean success in its life, and by setting I mean its failure in its life. Both are consider the sun to be a human being. Both our processes are going on, whether it is successful or it is failure. Now you can analyzing this diagram, you can feel that while it's successful, the people praise, as people worship the rising sun, as it not. So what this rising sun, we usually see that people praise the rising sun, they worship the sun, but nobody cares about the setting sun. The sun is set, that is, it is downfall period. What is it? Downfall period. This is rise period. So this I want to change, I will take this as an object regarding the life. In our life too, there are successes and there are failures. When there are n successes, then there are n failures too. Both go under an equilibrium change. If at times you have too many successes, then at times you have too many failures. Okay? So this is all the sun. Now we take like if it is you, then you can take an example of sun, that if the sun can move on, whether it's successing or failing. By failure, this path is again repeating. The same way we are also moving in circles. We should take motivation or inspiration from this particular object, which is of nature. By taking the example of this very particular object, we can say that we can also succeed. We can also succeed. When we are successful, we are happy. But when we are failing, we are unhappy. So we can take the example of sun. Whenever we are unhappy, oh bhaiya, just take the example. Okay? Just keep this in mind. That if sun can do that, I am caring only for 2-3 failures and repenting, and he is constantly failing and successing and failing. Why can't we do that? Okay. Now another concept. This was the sun's concept. Now another concept. Nowadays, now the question comes that is it right to help anybody without caring about ourselves? So I think we should help others, but helping doesn't take care of the giving anybody else the thing. Should take care that you are not getting this harm. For example, take if you are in the exam, sitting in the exam, you are having a pencil, only one pencil, and the other guy is having the pen, not having the pencil. So he is foolish enough not to bring pencil in an important exam, and you are more foolish enough to give him the pencil and losing your marks. He has succeeded and you have failed. So that is nothing. God will say that if you have mind, you have to first take care of yourself, then take care of others. Otherwise, because he should have known that he has to bring the pencil in the exam, but you have given him the pencil thinking that others would, and your wrong has happened. This is not true. This is not right. So I would say that sun, property of sun and moon. If I talk about sun and talking about moon, the sun has property that burns itself and gives light. Moon also gives light, but rather it reflects the light of the sun. The reflecting process, I want you to be like the moon, not the sun. The sun is burning itself and then giving you light, or giving you, helping you by harming itself. But this is nothing for use. Both have the same praise, the same level of praising. Both have it. Now you are not caring for the moon. The moon is simply reflecting the light of the sun. If sun is here, the moon is somewhere else. It is reflecting the light. So this moon is, I want you to be like moon rather than like sun. Sun is simply burning itself. Don't burn yourself. Take care. Help others, but take care. You should not help. You should not be getting harmed. Okay? Now, yes, I will conclude. Okay? What these type of things really help. Taking the example from nature. Okay, nature teaches. Nature is probably the best teacher in the world. Best teacher, most probably. Okay. Objects like sun, moon, earth, the 9 planets, their processes help us to understand the essentials of life and how to live it. Okay, then I would conclude it. Take care of yourself, whether not like sun but like moon. So yeah, this Amir Khan concluding with this trial, and this is the conclusion for the Khan's Academy of Style, Essentials of Life. Okay.